This is my Aldari army painted so far. I recently decided to paint my entire Aldari pile of shame and it started pretty well. I did all these minis in 8 hours, this in 2 days, then I painted 2 titans in a week, and then again the new combat patrol in a day. And then I painted the hardest Aldari minis with freehand. So today I want to have a recovery painting session. In order to continue to add more color in this red army, I chose to paint 10 scorpions and 10 dark reapers. 2 boxes. Magic. Let's go painting. All the models are primed. I'm going to start with the scorpions because it's been a long time since I painted green. So I'm hyped to paint in green again. I chose a trial from 2 thin coats. Let's go! All the green is done, I'm now going to paint the black. To be a little bit faster, I'm going to airbrush some parts and then finish the base coat of black with the brush. All the base coats of black are done. It's now time for the yellow. Yellow is a tricky color to paint. I hope it's gonna go well. We will see. The yellow was a little bit hard on some parts and easy on other parts. It's due to the sculpture of GW. Some parts are really easy to paint and other parts are a little bit blended in the miniature. And these parts are a little bit harder to paint. But if you're careful, it's okay. I can now move on to the metallics. now I'm gonna finish some details like highlighting the black, highlighting some green parts, and then finish the base and they will be done. The scorpions are done! It's now time for a little reveal. Now that all my scorpions are done, I'm gonna move on to the Dark Reapers. And obviously to paint Dark Reaper well, you need Dark Reaper paint. I'm so happy to paint the miniature with the right color. Ooh. It happens every 10 years. It's dry. Thanks to Duncan, I have an equivalent. Which is... okay. Dark Reaper without Dark Reaper. The first highlight is done, and as I did on the scorpions, I'm going to use the airbrush to speed up the process. Now I'm going to base coat all the weapons. Start with the airbrush to do the biggest part and then finish it with the brush. Let's go! The weapons are base coated. To get a really smooth and quick highlight, I want to try to do it with the airbrush. The only problem is that if I fail, I need to redo the black. But I do think that it's worth the risk. The airbrush is done and it worked very well. Now I'm gonna base the head details. The head details are done and I want to try my luck once more. So I'm going to highlight the head with the airbrush and hope for the best. The airbrush step went well. Now I'm going to do all the edge highlights, and then we will be close to the end. The minis are pretty much finished. There are just some little details to do, like the eyes or little some gold details, and then I just need to finish the base and they will be finished. Let's go! All the minis are done! It's time to make the decals. Yes, you already have seen the reveals of the scorpions, but I always do all the decals together. Don't trust what you see on the internet. All the decals are done! It's time to varnish everything. And that's it! More color added to my Aldari project. I really do like these minis and this entire army. What I like the most is that it's slowly turning into an army that you can see in the codex. So now I have 3380 points of Aldari. I'm happy I got a recovery painting week. Because the next time we will see Aldari on this channel, it's gonna be way more intense. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, bye!